An unbeatable power, changing the face of Earth. Tech that turns dreams real. A future that lights up innovation's sky. Precision, raw power, and solid protection. Beating the odds, perfecting the game. Massive machines making the impossible. Starting our list today with the TV-1000, a heavy-duty snowblower specially designed for airports. This beast can clear 2-meter-high snow piles in just one pass. It comes with 2 diesel engines that together pump out a whopping 1,000 horsepower. With this much power, it can move up to 7,500 tons of snow every hour. Despite weighing over 32 tons, it can hit speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. One of its coolest features is the adjustable cabin that can slide forward or backward from the oil channel for better visibility. The cabin also comes with a hydraulic suspension system that seriously cuts down on vibrations and makes the driver's life way more comfortable. When operating this monster, safety is super important, so don't forget to buckle up. Let me tell you about the WR-810 water cannon. It's an absolute must-have when you're working underground. This powerhouse is a pro at blasting through those hard-to-reach spots that give everyone headaches. It's rocking a massive 8,000-liter built-in water tank that can pump water at a whopping 10.5 bar pressure. The real showstopper is its 8-meter telescopic arm with hoses running all along it. And get this, you can control everything remotely, so you're always staying safe. They've smartly packed it with dust-fighting valves on both the back and sides. The cabin's got enough room to fit 3 people comfortably, and you won't break a sweat thanks to its sweet climate control system. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a Cat C7.1 engine cranking out 225 horsepower, and with its all-wheel drive setup, it'll bust through debris while keeping dust levels in check like it's nobody's business. Yo, check this out! One click and this big rig's trailer turns into a straight-up mobile car check spot. This thing's got your back. It can check any ride that's street legal. It does the whole 9 yards. Checks your brakes, peeps at your suspension, and gets a good look under your ride with this dope wide camera. Got this computer inside doing all the work. The dude running it just needs to smash that start button and boom. Ain't gotta waste time rolling to no service center no more. These guys come right to where you at. Yo, how about parking your whip inside a truck trailer? For a checkup, you feel me? Air BP's got this sick plane refueling truck that's made special for Brisbane airports. This baby's the first all-electric fuel truck in the whole Down Under. Been doing its thing since 2022, pumping that Jet A1 juice. They hooked it up with some beast lithium-ion batteries that keep it running all day, then quick charge that bad boy for the night shift. The folks at Sea Electric and Refuel International cooked this up together. They're straight flexing because they made this eco-friendly monster. Now, the only stuff messing with the air at the airport is coming from the planes themselves. But who knows what's coming next for these birds? Meet Minigus, this self-driving sprayer that's built to handle them packed orchards and grapevines. This beast runs with no driver needed. One person can run up to 8 of these bad boys at once, getting stuff done mad quick. Rolling with a 173-horse Cummins engine and a tank that holds 1,514 liters of the good stuff. They decked it out with 28 ceramic nozzles for regular spraying and threw in 44 more for them apple trees. Thanks to GPS, LiDAR, and all them fancy sensors, this thing cruises around and switches up the spray flow on the fly. This electric homie don't need no brakes. Weekends off or vacation time. Just make sure it ain't wandering off to water the neighbor's grapes. Check out the Bullmore EQ. This monster can handle up to 25 tons, making it the absolute unit of warehouse and industrial machines. This beast can hit 20 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds flat. That's some serious zip. Rocking an asynchronous electric motor pushing out a whopping 509 kilowatts, plus a tricked-out cabin with anti-shake tech, climate control, and a comfy seat with a safety belt to keep you strapped in. You got 3 ways to roll. Eco mode when you're playing it cool, power mode when you need that extra oomph, and boost mode when you gotta find that sweet spot between saving juice and showing muscle. The My Bulma system's got your back 24/7, keeping tabs on everything through GPS, watching for bumps and hiccups through the cell network like a helicopter parent. The Herzl RSP vacuum excavator is the real MVP when regular diggers might mess up what's underground. This bad boy's built to suck up chunks as big as 25 centimeters like they're nothing. With engines that got some serious muscle, it can reach out 50 meters sideways and 30 meters straight up. Talk about long arms. This beast puts in work at construction sites fixing pipes and even shows up for emergency calls like a first responder. It's got a gentle touch, though, pulling out tree roots, cleaning up construction mess, and helping dig tunnels without breaking a sweat. Sure, it looks like somebody put a vacuum cleaner on steroids, but you can't front on how well it gets the job done. I mean, if vacuum cleaners have been holding it down in our cribs for decades, why not let them go big in the industrial game? The Menzimuk MX-5 tractors laugh in the face of steep slopes. With their sliding axles and extra hydraulic stoppers, these beasts were born to eat rough terrain for breakfast. 3 flavors are up for grabs today. The budget-friendly M525X, the slightly fancier M535X, and the muscle-bound M545X. While they're all cut from the same cloth structure-wise, the cheaper version's your go-to for the light stuff. These bad boys cruise through gnarly terrain with slopes up to 45 degrees like it's a walk in the park. They can spread their legs up to 6 meters wide for max stability and keep a steady pace at 15 kilometers per hour. When other machines are saying, "Nah, I'm good," these tractors are like, "Hold my oil and get right to it." One look at the Case IH Quadtrac 715, and you already know this beast means business. The serious, heavy-duty kind. Rolling with 778 horses under the hood, it's rocking 4 tracks that eat rough terrain for breakfast and stick to the ground like glue. Those tracks stretch out 6 meters wide, keeping it light on its feet, despite its monster size. That FPT cursor engine? It's flexing with 3,255 newton-meters of torque at 1,400 RPM. That's enough muscle to make other tractors look like toys. The fuel tank's so big it could drink 1,968 liters without breaking a sweat. The cabin's floating on a 4-point suspension that makes it ride smooth like a luxury whip. And those headlights? They're throwing out 25,420 lumens of turn night into day power. Let's wrap up today's list with a story about one of the OGs of road infrastructure. And nope, it ain't a person. We're talking about the 5700D Curb Shaper, a machine that lays down curbs like it's drawing with a hot knife through butter. This little beast might be compact, but it's got moves, sliding through medians and parking lots like a pro skater. Maxing out at 15 kilometers per hour with a 190 horse power plant under the hood, it's rocking that smart slip-smart control system like a boss. A skilled operator can run this bad boy with just one hand, like they're conducting an orchestra. The 5700D lays concrete smooth as silk, even on slopes, feeding the channels through its conveyor belt like it's serving up breakfast. Yo, fam! If this content hit different, you know what to do. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. Keep that notification bell ringing so you don't miss out on more epic machine content. Let's get this bread. Ding ding.